Welcome to a complete guide to electrical cable types and applications. This video will provide a taxonomy masterclass for electrical installations. An electrical cable comprises several key components. The conductor transmits the electrical current. Insulation prevents electrical leakage. The inner sheath is the structural binder. Armor provides mechanical protection. The outer jacket is the final barrier against weather and abrasion. Cable construction varies for different purposes. Single conductor cables are compact for confined spaces. Multi-conductor cables carry high current without tangling. Twisted pair cancels electromagnetic interference for telecommunications, and ribbon cables save space in electronics. Conductor selection involves choosing between solid and stranded cores. Solid cables are lower cost with stable connections, but have poor flexibility. Stranded cables, made of multiple fine wires, cost more but offer high bend resistance, ideal for moving installations. Insulation materials range in capability. PVC is the flexible, inexpensive baseline for indoor wiring. PE offers low-loss insulation for high-frequency data centers. XLPE is the industrial standard, cross-linked for extreme heat resistance, used in high-voltage and outdoor applications. Other insulation materials meet specific needs. Silicone is essential for extreme heat environments like metallurgy. Neoprene provides fluid-tight sealing for marine operations. Rubber, or EPR, delivers resilience against stretching, perfect for mobile plant equipment. The voltage ladder classifies cables by capacity. Low voltage is used for residential wiring. Medium voltage handles power transit from substations. High voltage is for long-distance power grid transmission, and extra high voltage is for ultra-high capacity transmission from large power plants. Electrical standards are regional. IEC covers Europe and Asia. CSA is the standard for North America and Canada, focusing on damp, cold conditions. UL is primarily for the United States, emphasizing weather-resistant designs driven by the National Electrical Code. Cables are categorized by core function, power or control. Power cables are built for sheer capacity, transmitting power to heavy machinery. Control and instrumentation cables are built for precision, shielded for accurate data transmission in automated systems. Safety is critical in public infrastructure. LSZH cables are mandatory for crowded spaces, releasing no toxic or corrosive gases when burning. Fireproof cables maintain integrity during active fires, ensuring continuous power to critical emergency systems. Cables are engineered for extreme environments. Marine and offshore cables combat corrosion. Solar cables ensure UV and cold crack resistance for outdoor power generation. Railway and metro cables deliver shock and fire resistance under electromagnetic disturbances. Selecting the right cable involves 3 steps. First, consider movement. Fixed requires solid core, moving requires stranded. Second, check the voltage. Low for home, high for substations. Third, evaluate the environment to determine the necessary insulation and protection. Exterior installations follow specific rules. Above-ground cables must resist UV degradation and carry a sunlight-resistant stamp. Direct burial underground cables require XLPE insulation and armor to resist moisture, chemicals, and earth compression. Maintaining installation integrity means respecting the handling radius to prevent insulation damage. Global color codes help with identification: black, brown, or red for phase wires, blue or light colors for neutral, and yellow-green stripe for ground. The right cable ensures safety and efficiency. Master the cable taxonomy and precisely match the conductor, insulation, and regulatory standard to your environment. Every successful installation begins with the correct specification.